Welcome to the second episode of Cozy Crafternoon. This is a 3-part video series where I'm going to walk you through how to make 3 different 3D paintings of national parks that you can turn into art for your walls. Step 1 comes with designing the image. So I did this for all 3 of the paintings, and I designed the elements in Adobe Illustrator before exporting them to the Glowforge app. One of the reasons that I really love to use Artboard in my Glowforge is that the cut time is always really fast. So next I will go in with scoring all of the features first, and then I will cut as the final layer. And after it's all cut, you can just pop it straight out of the frame. There's no cleaning required, no masking to remove, it's just good to go as is. You can treat these outlines as your personal painting coloring book, so there are no rules when it comes to creating your masterpiece. I kept it classic with sunny blue skies and greenery, but you can do a sunset or sunrise, really make it your own or make it match your space. So now you can just sit back, relax, and create. Now, when it comes to assembly, you can do it a few ways. My favorite is foam strips and these little dots that I get from Michaels, but you can also opt for boning strips that you cut on your Glowforge as well. One of the things you'll notice is that the water can warp the artboard a little bit, so this part of the process is what corrects that. You can flatten your work between layers to help correct the slight bend, or leave it if it doesn't really bother you. And then for the final look, it's time to add your Glowforge cut frame. Mine is made with cherry proof grade, and I just adhere the layers together before placing the painting in it against that backing. You can choose to permanently adhere it or do something more temporary, and the finished look is absolutely beautiful. Join us for the next 2 paintings in the collection by clicking on the video you'd like to hop to next.